Hi, it's Kozue. I'm going to be using nail transfer foil on regular polish. I applied OPI Nail Envy once as a base coat. I'm going to be painting Timu's foil glue on the thumb. I'm going to be using nail foil on the thumb and ring finger. Nail foils are called nail transfer foils, foil stickers, or foil decals. Various designs are printed on clear films. You need to paint special foil adhesive glue and place the foil on your nail and press it firmly. I love nail foils, as I can transfer intricate designs onto my nails so easily. I think nail foils are supposed to be used on gel nail, but I use them for regular polish as well. After applying foil glue, let it dry until transparent. It dries pretty quickly. I'm gonna use this nail foil from Shein. Press this non-glossy side on your nails. Like this. Well, I'm just checking the designs now. Okay, I'm gonna press it on. I'm rubbing it vertically first. This silicone pen is so useful. I love this curve. I'll just keep rubbing and pressing it onto the nail. I press it so hard that the silicone bends a lot. Using a fingernail helps a lot as well. I like peeling it off like doing Brazilian wax. I love looking at the film after. I think the pink is a little too bright on my nail, so I'm gonna this sheer beige ochre on it. I'm trying to cover the edges of the nail foil. If the nail foil is exposed, it tends to come off easier. Don't forget to paint the top of the nail. I'm going to use these three. Parado Mini Nail, Red Seria. Probably it's discontinued. It contains fine particles of glitter. It's really opaque. Spiritual. I don't think it's available either. It's slightly pearly. It's pretty opaque. I'm going to paint Parado Mini Nail on the pinky. You can get Mini Nail series at 7-Eleven in Japan. They come in small bottles, so that you can use them up within one season. New colors come out every season. I often buy them at outlet malls. I'm going to apply foil glue to the ring finger. I'm going to use nail foil for this nail. I'm using nail foil without base color underneath. It saves a lot of time. I'm painting spiritual on the middle finger. I wish the brush was bigger. Well, it was super cheap on sale, so I can't complain. I'm painting Parado on the index finger. I usually have the same design on the pinky and index finger. How about you guys? It's great to be able to use my dominant hand. I don't have to paint the red polish again. It's so opaque. The ring finger is ready for nail foil. This design has so many flowers, so I don't have to paint base color. Nail foil is available at CanDo, a 100 yen store. It's super long, but only 100 yen. It's a bargain. If your nail foil doesn't work, you might not scratch it enough. I'm quite impatient, but I scratch nail foil for good 2 minutes or so. Brazilian wax. I'm gonna paint the beige ochre polish. When putting nail foil on, you often get wrinkles on the foil. But you don't really see wrinkles with this design. It's distractive in a good meaning. I'm gonna prepare for stamping while drying the nail polish. Plate from CanDo. Stamper. Used prepaid card. Keep them on the table ready. Metallic polish from a 100 yen store. I usually use foil glue as no smidge top coat. I'm spreading it out a bit, hoping it flattens the surface. I'm going to decorate my little finger. I got this from Temu. I don't know what it's called. It's a pretty hard wire. Trying to bend to a bit. A little practice. Practicing with CanDo's dry brush. I'm gonna paint like this. I'm gonna use the polish I used for stamping earlier. Time to put practice into action. I want to paint a nice smile line. It's actually easier than making French mani. Still, it's pretty hard to finish the ends with this brush. I want to leave streak marks, but I guess it's difficult to do it with a brush. Let's use the wire thingy. Oh, scary! This is too much. Leaving streaks with regular polish is difficult. This is what I got. I'm painting Parado gel top coat, but it's not gel. I love it as it doesn't shrink. It is sold at 7-Eleven. I'm painting spiritual second time on the middle finger. That's too much polish. The polish was kind of soft all day. I'm gonna decorate the index finger too. I'm just doing the same as the pinky decoration. This brush from CanDo is incredible for its price. After adding gold to the nail, it looks much more like a winter holiday design. I guess it's a good idea to avoid the wire this time. It's getting closer to the end. My ring is not facing the right way. I'm gonna paint a top coat on the thumb. I think the most important thing about applying polish is the proper amount of polish on the brush. Getting the right amount of polish is the most difficult though. It's even more difficult to do with one hand. I just have to practice. I'm gonna get stamping on the middle finger, plate of Temu, and other stuff. Joy to the world! You can hardly see this. I picked out wrong colors. Shall I let it go? No, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix with this polish. I want to stamp exactly on the first print. I tried at least. It's a little off the print, but it's still nice. I'm painting foil glue. I'm gonna apply a top coat to the other nails once. I apply Seria after 6 hours. Again, getting the right amount on the brush is critical. Seria has to be runny too. I frequently use thinner to keep Seria runny. All the art is done. It's so Christmassy and wintry, but I also have spring flowers too. Anyway, it looks cute, which matters the most to me. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.